good. You know what you got me, Archie?
There.
No, right here.
Yeah. What's the...
That is a fun game right there. That was awesome. That was awesome. You got me good, Archie. You got me running up for the last step, too.
Yeah, because I saw him running. Oh, Jesus.
You got us in the legs, and we were like, what the heck? Yeah, we got a few people over there with the snipers.
I
know you did. Now the White House is empty. Archie.
What?
Couldn't get you.
Yeah, still running.
Yeah, man. Scare you, though. That was hilarious. Okay, let's go again.
Yeah.
Are they done with the White House?
The problem is they all went there.
No, there's only 2 people went in.
Okay.
3 or 4 of them went over there. There's supposed to be a new player coming. Yeah, so. Why is it come so late? Where? Where's he at? Holy. Done with the professor. Where's the new player? Yeah. Okay. Where's the new player? I looked in there.
He's coming. Oh.
Don't be like me. I'm really bad.
Yeah.
No, because I need to.
Because if the mad see you, they'll put you in it.
No, but I closed my eye though.
Even though?
That
camera?
Yes.
You can't be serious. Smile!
Hey, Archie, I didn't even get you at all. Like, did I come close?
No.